to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and another clean with me here in 2022. I'm so excited to be sharing a almost whole house speed clean with you guys in today's video. So if you are needing some cleaning motivation, you have definitely come to the right place. It has been a while since we have tackled my daughter's bedroom, so we are starting off here, and I actually needed to clean their bedding, so that is what we're starting with. If you haven't caught up on my latest videos, make sure that you go and catch up on those. But if you haven't seen them, then you wouldn't know we have been sick, so I kind of sound a little bit, maybe a little scruffier than normal, so I apologize in advance, but I'm gonna try really hard not to talk too much in today's video and just let the music play. So let's go ahead and get into the cleaning motivation. I hope that you get up and move and clean along with me today. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy that you are spending some time with me today. I just love that you guys take some time out of your day to spend it with me, so thank you again for being here. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Brianne, and here on my channel, I share lots of lifestyle content. You're gonna find lots of relatable, real-life cleaning motivation here on my channel, as well as the odd home DIY and recipes and just that sort of thing. So if that is the kind of content that you enjoy, please consider hitting that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and make sure that you hit the like button as well. It just shows me that you guys are liking the content that I'm bringing, and it also helps me out as a small creator.
24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
So this is the bookshelf. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at it. I talked about it a couple of videos ago and I still haven't shared it. So there it is. It is not painted yet. I just ordered the stencil today actually, and so we are going to be painting that and doing like a little stencil. So I'll be sharing that home DIY project just in another clean with me. I like to just kind of throw them in there, switches things up a little bit as well. And then you might have noticed that the girls' bed wasn't quite made yet. So obviously I did end up making their bed, but I didn't do it until it was literally bedtime. So it was really dark. And I just honestly had to get them sheets on and get the girls in bed. As you all know, that is a whole process when you are making and cleaning bedding for your children. So I did not catch that on camera, but I did want to let you know that they did get made. Now we are moving on into the playroom. There is lots to do in here. I've shared this before. We do have age-appropriate chores for our kids, and one of those chores is to clean up the playroom, but sometimes Mama Bear just has to come in here get everything clean. There was tons of dust that had accumulated, so we're gonna wipe everything down, and we're also gonna vacuum in here too.
I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, have a pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, have a pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
So if you're wondering what the heck those black shelves are there, I don't remember if I shared this, so I wanted to just quickly share this with you guys. That is for our plants and our seeds that we are going to be growing. So we are planning on doing a massive vegetable garden, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. We actually just received the seeds today as I'm filming this voiceover, which is February 21st, so Monday when it's supposed to be up, so I apologize about that. But again, we've been sick, so I'm just behind. Anyway, so those are for our plants, and I'm really excited to share that with you. I will be sharing the journey again, probably just implementing it into a little like clean with me, maybe at the end. If you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely let me know down below, and also let me know if you have a garden of your own. This is the first year that we will be starting it indoors, but I'm really excited about it, so I will probably share that again just in a future video.
You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
We are just moving through the house, speed cleaning as we go. I am moving a little slower in today's video, as again I was sick while filming it, and as you can tell with my voice, I'm still a little sick, hence the hauls here on my end table. So if you're wondering what that green bag is and the Kleenex, this is just real life, you guys. I can't even say sorry, and I'm not sorry, because I always promise to show up and be real and authentic with you guys, and this honestly is just real life right now. So just wanted to share that with you guys.
It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
So here on the TV, I'm not using any product. I'm just using a microfiber cloth, and I'm going ahead and dusting it off. And so whenever I'm using this blue cloth in today's video, I am just dry dusting. I wanted to share this little close-up with you guys of my sink. I don't know why my sink just gets out of control. There's toothpaste on it every single day. I have to always give this bathroom a quick little clean, even if it is just a 5-minute tidy up. It makes a world of a difference every single day.
This feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
So we've just moved our way down into the basement here, and we're going to tackle this small area of the house before we move back on upstairs, and we are going to be mopping the floors a little bit later in the video. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and get the basement all cleaned. I'm just using my thieves cleaner throughout here, and then I'm just going to use some baking soda and Castile soap in the toilet for a toilet bowl cleaner. I ran out of toilet bowl cleaner, so I have been just kind of like mixing and matching, trying to find the best one. This one was not my favorite. I didn't feel like it actually did that good of a job, so I will not be sharing this in my spring cleaning workbook, but I do have a recipe that I have been loving, which will be shared in that workbook launching next week. Throughout the floors here, I am using the Go Clean Co method. If you have not heard of that, you can follow their account over on Instagram. I also have a blog post sharing what the Go Clean Co method is.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit. Calm down and get your reel applied. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. Oh, I'm trying to hold on. Oh, gotta keep on keeping on. Down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide.
Thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed the speed cleaning motivation. I hope that you were up and cleaning along with me and you tackled your mess. Let me know down below what you got done, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lifestyle content. We'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Of all the love that we've got, tell me that you're gonna be there all the way.